How to recover Ubisoft account if you forgot your login details. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover your Ubisoft account or Ubisoft account even if you forgot the login details. Now the process is quite simple. You want to head into your browser in any one of your devices, and there you want to search in for Ubisoft. You can see your app searched in for Ubisoft, and there you can see link appearing www.ubisoft.com, the official link there, and you can see various options below it. You can see recovering access to your Ubisoft account, games, Ubisoft account, company, and Ubisoft help and such. What you want to do is you want to tap on recovering access to your Ubisoft account. If you don't find this option here, what you want to do is on the search bar you can directly search in for recover Ubisoft account and you'll get this link anyways. So you want to head into this option recovering access to your Ubisoft account, and once you head on it you can see it'll load up to another page, and there you'll find various options. You can see recovering access, and here you can see various options. I forgot my account details, I cannot access the email address linked, and you want to find the problem that matches here with these questions. Or if you don't find, you can see here if none of these options matches your situation, please contact us directly. You can either select that option, but in case you forgot your account details, you can simply tap on I forgot my account details here, and once you do so here you can see it'll take you to another page where you'll have to add in your account details. Now your contact information, you first enter in your contact email address and contact information, and then you want to enter your username, and then you want to add another username that was associated with your account, and you want to enter your activation key. Now this is optional, and if you scroll down you'll find various other options as well. You want to fill in all the details and you want to submit request. Once you submit request, Ubisoft will get back to you within 48 to 72 hours with your account details, and they might be able to help you. So this is the way you can recover Ubisoft account if you forgot your login details. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.